In this video, we will study how to create a WordPress site locally and run it. There are many methods for creating a local WordPress site, and now we are using an app called Local. Download the app from the site localwp.com. To download, fill out this form. You can enter any email here, it doesn't have to be correct. After downloading, run the .x file and press Next to install. The app will be installed successfully. This is a site that has already been created. Press this button to create a new local site and then press Continue. Give any name for the site, and now select the preferred environment. We will create another site with a custom environment later. Provide the username and password for the WordPress administrator, and then add the site. The site is being created, which may take some time. Our local site has been successfully created, and the database details are provided. Click here to open the site, and the site is now running. Then click here to open the WordPress administrator page, where you can enter the username and password. The WordPress dashboard will be opened. Here we add the posts that we will study in later videos, and we also add the pages that we will study in this video. To stop the site, click here, and to start it again, use the same button. Then we will study how to change the theme. Select Appearance from the dashboard menu and choose Themes. There are 3 installed themes, and 2024 is currently selected. To install more themes, select Add New Theme. Before adding a new theme, change to another theme from the already installed ones and activate it. Then open the website and refresh it to see the changes. Next, add a new theme from here and activate it. We can choose any themes from here. First, install the theme from here and then activate it. This is the new theme, and we will study how to customize it later. Then activate the theme 2024. Here is a link to a sample page. Select that link to open the page. Then click the site title, and the home page will be opened. Open Pages in the dashboard, where all pages are displayed. Click here to edit that page and change the page heading. Then update it and refresh the site to see the changes. It's possible to create multiple sites here. Now we create another site with a custom environment. Here we select the PHP version, the web server is Apache, and the database is MariaDB, while our first site is using MySQL. Add new pages to the new site, and they will also be displayed here. Then we set our custom page as our site's home page. Open Settings and Reading, select a static page. Choose a page from the list and save changes. Then click Title and our custom page will become the home page. Here we stop the site, and we will make more videos related to WordPress based on the response to this video.
Thank you for watching.